in my opinion, that it should be okay to use iPhone, mobile phones in public places because because um, because I cannot find the risk of using iPhone in public places. Hmm.
Okay, that's fine. No problem. We'll come back to that one. How does technology make our lives easier? Does it always serve that purpose?
Um, make our lives easier. Well, mm, technology make my life much more convenient than ever. I mean, I am surrounded by many technologies, TVs, refrigerators, washing machines, and iPhone, PC, iPad. So anything, everything is technology. Everything surrounding me is technology.
Hmm.
And does it always serve the purpose? Uh, but however, the upcoming technology AI is it seems to be very convenient. My company is using AIs and promoting promote to use AI and um, but AI has some um, scary aspects. I mean, um, the the outputs coming from AI is the source of AI is black box, so I'm not sure outcomes and of AI is true or not. So the the information literacy is getting more important
Hmm.
for usage of AI. So AI has both aspects, very um, innovative aspects and also um, threatening aspects.
Hmm. Right. Okay, good. And do you think it's necessary to know about computers? Why?
For computers. Yes, I think so because I am not a IT person, so I am not um, good at using computers, iPhones, smartphones, and iPads, and so I always ask um, people in IT departments that if I have some trouble in my computers. But if I don't understand anything about computer, I cannot judge the it is right or wrong that IT person says. Um, so um, so I think it's not I think it's not necessary, but I should try to understand to know more about computer. It's just uh, I think it's not necessary, but it would be better to understand computers.
Right. So it would be good to know something about them.
Good to know. Good to know
Yeah.
something about it.
Yeah. Very good. Okay, so let's look at some sample answers. The first question you got was, uh, should mobile phones be restricted in public places? What is your opinion? So you can read this answer.
As I see it, the mobile phone undoubtedly is an important invention in the history of mankind, but it surely has some negative impacts. It is clear that using mobile phone in public might cause irri- irritation to others. Besides, it interrupts their activities.
Right. Okay, good. So what's nice about this answer, it has like undoubtedly, besides, so
So,
using some linking words which makes it coherent. And there you can see they use the word mankind. In the history of mankind, in the history of human beings, in the history of
mm,
humankind. You could use any word there to. Okay. And the other one was, how does technology make our lives easier? Does it always serve that purpose? You can read this one.
vision has its own purposes. For instance, the computer, internet, and so on. These are here to serve as in
You caught what I had.
yeah. Uh, these are here to serve us in order to have an easier life. Technology has changed the way we study, work, or even spend money. Therefore, we have a better life standard in every possible way due to technology.
Yeah, right. So, yeah, it's nicely put together. So interesting thing, we don't talk like this in normal life on the street,
Yeah.
but for IELTS, we speak this way to show that we know good
Uh,
vocabulary and so on. Okay, so that's all we got time for. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Take care and enjoy
yeah.
the rest of your day, and see you
Yeah.
soon.